lesson tattered blanket for 8th class students. This is the second part of the lesson. There are three characters in this lesson. One is Kamala, another one is old woman, mother she is, and another one is Gopi. He is the son of that old woman. What we have learned in the previous class? He came to Thiruvananthapuram on a meeting and came to his house. I am terrible upset if I don't get a letter from every day. He knows it that he writes a letter every day. What did he write? He writes a letter every day. Look at the way he talks. Gopi's sister turned to him just and I told you, you know nothing about what are going here, do you? Gopi's sister is telling to Gopi, what is going on here? What is going on here? You don't know. You are staying in somewhere, no. What is that? Amma said again. Who is that in the car? It's me, Gopi said. I had came to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop to see you, Amma. What he is asking? Who is there in that car? Amma is asking who is there in that car. Then Gopi came near to her mother and said, it is Gopi. I have came to Thiruvananthapuram. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? It is far from here. No, it is quite near. I don't know how I can bring back her memory. That old woman is not having memory. ఆమెకు జ్ఞాపక శక్తి అనేది కంప్లీట్ గా లేదు. When Gopi came to her, she is saying, I am Gopi, I came to see you, Amma. Then what she is asking? What is her name? Where is your mother? Where did she live? She is asking to Gopi. I don't know how can I bring back her memory. Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. Gopi placed her briefcase on the tina. He opened it and pulled out the contents, cloths, files and a shaving set. Then Gopi's sister is telling, what she is telling, I can't bring her memory. I am not understanding anything. Nakemi ardham avvatledu. Then Gopi placed her briefcase on tina in veranda. Gopi put his briefcase and opened the briefcase and pulled some cloths, files and some shavings, etc. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. He is in Delhi, a government officer. He has Kesari Yogam. He draws a salary of 2500 rupees. Do you know him? Then she is asking to Gopi only. She is asking to Gopi. Do you know my son Gopi? He is in Delhi. He lives in Delhi and he is getting a government salary. He is a government officer and he is getting salary of 2500 rupees. She is telling, yes, I know him. Tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mild in the morning. If I catch cold, it does not leave me for a long time. What she is telling to? She is telling to Gopi only. Do you know my son? She is not recognizing her own son. She is again asking, did you recognize my son? Tell my son to bring me a blanket. Why? Because it is very cold in the morning time. In the morning time it is very cold. If I caught the cold, I could not live for long time. నాకు జలుబు గిన్న చేస్తే తొందరగా తగ్గిపోదు కాబట్టి నా బాబుని ఒక బ్లాంకెట్ పంపించమని అడుగుతాను. Tell him to send a blanket. Won't you? A red one. I had a blanket. The one he bought for me when he was studying in Madras. What she is telling? You please ask him to bring one blanket. Previously he brought me a blanket that is red in color. When he brought that blanket? When he was studying in Madras. When he was studying, he brought me a blanket. It is all tattered now. Tattered means torn. Tattered ante enti? What is tattered? Torn. It has tattered now. Just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? I will tell him, he nodded. Please don't forget to tell him. The mist is not good for me. I think I will stretch myself out of for a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. What she is asking? Again, please don't forget to tell him. Please tell to my son to bring. I think I will stretch out for a bit. I can't sit more much time in the armchair. Armchair means bending chair. I am not willing to sit in this chair. I want to just stretch. Stretch means what is stretch? Stretch means laying. నడుము వాల్చుకోవడం ఉంటుంది కదా అట్లా. I can't sit in this. I have a pain in the neck. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to veranda. You did not come to see Amma, did you? Delhi is too expensive. You know I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meeting with my salary. and one has to keep out one status. It will be great help. I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk it over with you. Then after Gopi's sister put his mother on the bed and came back to veranda. She came into the veranda talking to Gopi. Are you seeing the situation? What is happening here? What is going to happen here? Are you seeing? This is the situation of our mother. మన మదర్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇలా ఉంది అని చెప్తారు. దెన్ వాట్ గోపి ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్, ఢిల్లీ ఈజ్ టూ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్. ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ మీన్స్ నీడ్స్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ మనీ. In Delhi to live there it needs a lots of money. You know, I have 4 children. Gopi is having 4 children and he is not enough salary. He is not having enough salary. And one have came to one status. But the main reason he came to the home is he want to sell the share of the family property. Which property he is going to get? He want to sell that property. For that cause he came to talk with Kamala. Yeah, you will sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. Don't say that I will come when I get time. Then what his sister is telling? You will get the money. You will get the money and you will went away. If you go away, you will not come again another time also. Why? Because you are selling your land. After selling your land, you will not come here. Then what Gopi is telling? Don't say that I will come when I get time. He is trying to understand his sister. Your time. He saw the irritation on her sister face. How she is telling when you will get your time. She is changing her face. He is not willing to come regularly. What he is telling, when I will get the time only I will come. I took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. Amma is 83 now. I don't think she will pull on much longer. After 5 years, when he got job in Delhi, after 5 years he came back. Again like this only. After another 5 years you will come. That's why. Now what is the age of her mother? 83 years. After 83 years you came here. She will not more long to live. I took you so long to visit her after the last time. But Amma can't remember who I am. She said smiling feebly. But do you remember your Amma? She is an old woman. She is about 83 years old. But she is not remembering. But when you are in the age, you are in proper condition, you can't remember your mother and come here to see her. That is the situation what is going on, and that is the discussion going between Gopi and Kamala. Okay children, lesson is completed. Write the notes. Thank you.